What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank y'all for the support, man. God has been great. Thank you guys all for watching and supporting this channel, man. We have a special treat for y'all today, man. We got something that one of my favorite vehicles of all times. And they ask me why, because it has the power to whoop you down the track, power to whoop you on the streets, definitely. When you put some more money into it, it's a whole nother beast. It is my favorite SUV. For y'all that don't know, we took delivery of a different SUV because we had to share it with me and my wifey. But if it was up to me, this is what I would own. And let me show it to y'all. It is a Trackhawk, y'all. And for you guys that know these vehicles, it's basically an all-wheel drive Hellcat they put on the streets from Jeep. It is an amazing vehicle. I've driven multiple. My friend REELTOREAL has one. I've been itching to get one, but it's just not the right time, y'all. But this one here, I mean, when he came in with the whole hood missing, I already knew that he has to know Booster Lucky, because Booster is the one that runs that the most like that, and a lot of people follow it. It is a cool look because in reality, when you're paying for this truck, what you're paying for it, you want everybody to know that what's inside is a Hemi 6.2 liter with over 700 horsepower. So you got to be careful when you come up to that one. But on top of that, man, is a gorgeous truck. It's black. It is the original Trackhawk, which I love this truck dearly. Let me get this thing unlocked here real quick. And I'm gonna show y'all, we don't have to even lock it, they've seen it before. I'm gonna show you on the back, but this one came in, man, because his young man owns this vehicle. He's had a previous car stolen from him. He's part of Jack Fab team, so shout out to Jack Fab Performance. Look at the owner of the car, man. Tell everybody what's your name for the camera.
My name is Alex.
Alex, so how long have you owned your baby girl here?
About 2 years now.
About 2 years now. Tell us what happened to your previous car.
So I had a Hellcat Charger in the past that a couple people tried to take, and eventually it happened.
They took it.
It's inevitable at some point, unfortunately, and this is kind of why I'm here today. Yeah,
so he came in today, y'all, because they're looking for security packages, and we're going back and forth between, of course, the Dlr and the Compustar, the pros and cons of both of these devices. The Dlr is a great unit. Again, we do them both. But the only issue that I have being in this industry for so many years is that it's not always a guy who comes up to your car to steal a car. Sometimes they come with tow trucks, and let me explain to you why. If it's 12 o'clock at night and you're in your neighborhood and you see a guy coming with a tow truck and a car behind it and the alarm's coming off, what do you think happened? Man, that guy got repoed.
Right.
That's most of the time you're thinking that it's like a false alarm, the guy lost his car, he couldn't pay for it, it's a repo, and people don't pay attention to that. And that's kind of where the dilemma comes into between the Dlr and the Compustar. No matter what you have in the vehicle, even if it's all-wheel drive, understand the concept, y'all. If the guys who repo these cars could come and repo this car without the keys, you don't think a thief could do the same?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And that's kind of what it comes to. So between the Dlr and the Compustar, the benefit of the Compustar, of course, it does the kill switches. You got door triggers. That means if anybody comes and touches the vehicle and try to open the door, you're gonna know. If they open up the hood or the trunk, you're gonna know. If they cut the glass or break the glass, you're gonna know. Kill switch is installed, and the best part of it all is always connected to your phone. Which means that if you happen to be in the mall, a shopping center, your job, no matter where you at, if anything happens in any zone, your phone's gonna go off immediately, telling you what's going on. If they hooked it on a tow truck, you can GPS your truck and be on the phone live with the police. He just made it right on this street. Right. And I've actually got a video I'm gonna put together. I might tag it to this video, or I'm gonna make a compilation of people that we've done it for TRXs and everything. One guy who bought a TRX, went out to, I think he said it was Longview, Texas, was staying in a hotel because he was traveling somewhere with his family. That night, they tried to break into his TRX. As soon as, what they did, and in fact, I'm gonna use this as a demo. So what they did, man, is that they're trying to become real smart with this here, but this back glass, unfortunately, is not that hard to open up. And what they did is they put a blanket over it. They stepped on very quietly onto the truck, and they went and they pushed that glass open. As soon as they pushed the glass open, it hit a shock. Gotcha. Boom. The alarm went off. When the alarm went off, you could see on the surveillance from the hotel, as soon as it went off, they freaked out and they took off, and he was able to redeem his vehicle. Another girl, she has a Charger Scat Pack with a beautiful car. They tried to get her car with a tow truck, like I was telling y'all. And when they came with the tow truck, as soon as they backed into the unit, this guy had balls. I'm gonna put this video out. This guy, the alarm was going off. She was in an apartment complex. He didn't care. With the alarm going off, he still was dragging the car to get it out.
Yeah, people don't care anymore.
No, they don't. And her being alerted, she ran outside. As soon as she ran outside, the guy already had the truck, you know, already hooked on. But being that it went off and she came outside and the attention came to it and she started screaming, the neighbors came out, the guy took off. So that's another save from that one. Another dude, he flies out of town. So he left his TRX in the airport parking lot. They literally had, because he was out of town, they went to, these guys, I don't know what to tell you. But this guy got into the truck, broke the glass, the alarm started going off, and he did not care. He started ripping the car apart, like trying to find where the brain or anything was to it. He was not able to do it thanks to the high security install we offer at AUDIOZONE. And he could not get the car turned on. So when the guy flew back in, he saw his truck was broken into, but it was still parked there. They weren't able to do nothing about it. So
I'd rather be torn apart.
I'd rather be torn apart too, man. I mean, I'd rather have a broken glass and some other interior panels than to lose a whole car. For you guys that have never lost a car before, that's when I got into security, man. Was back in 1997 is when I first got into security. I had a car that I built, and it was my first fiberglass enclosure. I had a beautiful damn Mazda. I got pictures of her, and I went to go eat lunch. I had a very sensitive, so I went to go eat lunch, and it was a driveway behind the shop that I was working at. When I parked the car, I heard the alarm go off. I thought it was a false alarm. I went and disarmed it. Sure enough, I'm working in the customer's car, heard my car turn on. I took off in the customer's car and chased my car down Colonial Drive in Orlando, Florida. I lost my job that day because I was trying to chase my car, but my car just left me, and there was another car that was following, wouldn't let me pass. No plates. The car was gone. They found it about 2 months later, stripped down. That's when I got more deeply into security, because you feel violated. You know what I'm saying? You feel violated, you feel hurt, and we want to make sure that we were able to get this car together and do what we had to do. So we did that. Been in the game for a long time, and now we're going to get to secure his car. So Trackhawk coming into the bay. Let's get the security built in this car, get him protected, and make him a happy face. Y'all stay tuned. All right, crew. So they come out, and look what's coming out over there, y'all. Trackhawk is gone. Trackhawk is gone. Beautiful damn thing, man. These trucks are amazing. They're nasty. My favorite damn car. Look at that. Look at that sound. I love it, man. That green belt. Ooh. Josh, you're looking good up in there, buddy. Damn. No liking the Trackhawk?
They're cool, but I don't like things that people like to steal from you.
So now we're gonna go and show this customer how everything works here. All right? Stay tuned. Huh? Nah, I need to walk. I need the exercise. But yo, she is nasty, y'all. She is nasty, y'all. That's a Trackhawk, baby boy. What you think that is? You don't have to tap it. It's a Trackhawk. Woo-wee! I love the way that thing sounds. That thing. What kind of exhaust you got on this thing?
It's a stock exhaust. It has a mid muffler delete and then the full header system.
Yeah, cause she sounds nastier than almost any Trackhawk I've ever heard that's even been here. I got Trackhawks that come in straight exhaust. We have one that was just done by Reel that had headers, all this other stuff, and some high, probably the loudest exhaust in the market, but it doesn't sound nowhere close to that beast right there. Damn. I mean, it's just, but this is your key fob I was talking about. Okay. Pretty standard stuff. You can actually hit here if you want to light it up. Like what, blind me myself here or what? How do I change the brightness? Hold on. Y'all stay tuned, hold on. This crew, so we're gonna show them how it works and what's going on. So I'm gonna go to arm his vehicle. I'm gonna tell him to go steal it. My phone ringing in the background, like on most of my videos, you always hear my phone. Your phone's going off and your remote's going off already, so you already know what's going on with your car. Your phone's giving you all your alerts. Start the car. Your car's disabled, okay? Cool, but that's telling you now, and I'll go ahead and hit this one here one time to shut up the car in the remote. And one more time, it's still armed. One more time until you see the unlock key. Now she's actually now turning your car. Let it charge up, it's just sitting. So now, what that's telling you, come on. I love this truck sound, bro. Damn. So what I was just showing you there is that when it's armed, you ain't starting the car. The car is safe. You're gonna get hurt in your motor unit, you're gonna get remote control. Remote control was about 3,000 feet away from wherever you are. Your phone is unlimited distance. You can have the car at home. You can be in Kansas City, Missouri. No joke. If somebody touches the vehicle, you're gonna know your phone. That's kind of what the setup is. You're fully covered. I'm in love with the Trackhawk, y'all. Real, I love your death, but this one, I love it for a lot of reasons. It sounds so nasty, y'all. Like, look at it. Yo, man, give it a little rest. Damn. Boy, that is the nastiest sounding Trackhawk. That is the nastiest Trackhawk, and it still got the mufflers in the back. That is the nastiest sounding Trackhawk I've ever heard. I mean, and this was done by Jack Fab Performance.
Yes, shout out Jack Fab.
Shout out to Jack Fab, Matt, and the team, man. They've been my guy forever, and now you understand why. They can build some badass things, man. That's just simple as that. Hellcat was built. Still to this day, a lot of y'all hate it because y'all never been able to pass it. There was a guy who called me out a long time ago. He said they had the fastest manual Hellcat in Dallas. I said, bro, you can't say that without running me. So we went out to go meet up. We put a length on him, and he was like, I thought it was a fastest Dallas. I said, you can't claim it, y'all. But as far as your security goes, man, you're all booked in. You're ready to go. You have any questions? You ready to go roll? Get your haircut? He's late for his haircut because of the extensive work we had to do here. But you know what? Now I know when he's at the haircut place, he knows the baby is safe. Y'all, we're gonna always thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.